Welcome to the Trump Estate, a 10,000 square foot Victorian luxury masterpiece built directly into the edge of a dramatic ocean cliff. Today, I'm taking you on an exclusive private tour through one of the most extravagant properties ever conceptualized. And trust me, you've never seen Victorian architecture done quite like this. From above, you immediately notice the estate's signature design. Curved glass towers reaching toward the sky. Gothic arches carved in limestone. Marble terraces cascading down the cliff. And spire-like chimneys rising from the rooftop like a cathedral built for royalty. The entire structure blends old-world Victorian drama with ultra-modern transparency. Glass, marble, and limestone forming a mansion that feels both historic and futuristic. A grand staircase welcomes you with polished marble steps framed by gold-trimmed lanterns. The entryway alone makes a statement, a silent promise that what's inside is even more breathtaking. The moment you step inside, you're greeted by a soaring double-height foyer. Two curved staircases spiral upward like they were carved for royalty. Sunlight pours through towering stained glass windows, painting soft colors over marble floors. At the center, a crystal chandelier that weighs more than a luxury car. Because of course it does. This is the kind of entrance that makes even billionaires pause. The living room showcases the mansion's perfect blend of Victorian design and modern luxury. Rich wood paneling, gold leaf detailing, a marble fireplace, big enough to stand inside. And thanks to the curved glass tower on the south side, the entire room opens toward the ocean with a 180-degree sweeping view. This is the type of living room where business deals are made, legacies are discussed, and guests instantly become jealous. The dining room can easily host a dinner for 20. A single piece of marble forms the entire dining table. No seams, no joints, just pure polished stone. A series of Gothic arches frame the ocean view, turning every meal into a fine art experience. Now, Victorian kitchens were never this advanced. This one features marble countertops everywhere, brass fixtures and hidden luxury appliances, and an island that looks like it belongs in a five-star hotel. Even if you never cook, this kitchen makes you want to pretend. As we move through the upper hallway, the design language continues its theme of symmetry and craftsmanship. Repeating Gothic arches, soft natural daylight, marble flooring that seems to glow, drama without chaos, luxury without noise. The master suite is a personal sanctuary, a towering canopy bed, deep wood finishes, and in the corner, a curved glass projection overlooking the cliff. You can literally wake up to waves crashing hundreds of feet below. The marble fireplace adds warmth, while gold-lined wall sconces create an atmosphere fit for royalty. The bathroom is a spa dressed as a cathedral, white marble everywhere, gold fixtures, a freestanding tub positioned under an arched window facing the ocean, the walk-in closet. Think, boutique luxury store, dark wood cabinetry, spotlight shelving, and a central marble island for accessories. It's less a closet and more a statement piece. Sits behind a glass wall facing the cliff. Because nothing motivates cardio like staring into the abyss. A two-story Victorian library with a spiral staircase, stained glass details, and enough shelf space to make even book collectors emotional. A carved wooden desk, leather seating, and a Gothic arch window perfectly framing the horizon. The kind of office where decisions worth millions feel right at home. The multi-car garage is polished, illuminated, and designed more like a showroom than storage. Outside, the stone-paved parking circle features a Victorian fountain centerpiece. And the terrace? Marble balustrades, luxury seating, and the views that make you forget the world exists. Finally, the Cliffside infinity pool sits like a crown jewel, water merging visually with the ocean beyond. The Trump Estate isn't just a mansion. It's a statement of legacy, craftsmanship, and architectural ambition. A Victorian dream rebuilt for the modern age. If you enjoyed this tour, subscribe for more mansion deep dives, and let me know which property should be explored next.